Hey guys, what's up? Not that you guys care, but everything is different. Shut up.
Ow!
Finally, in camera, I say, ow. Whoa, I realized I haven't been on YouTube in like a month. Ooh, first of all, our room is super different. I wanted to see how this looks with color because the white lights are a little much for me right now. So I want to see what it looks like this. If you like it, let me know. If not, let me know. I think it looks pretty dope, but it's not like the typical beauty guru setup, I guess. I don't know. But you know, I'm not a typical beauty guru, so I mean, I guess I'll just roll with it. If you don't follow me on Instagram and all that kind of stuff, I got a nose piercing. She's gonna be a hoop soon. And then I got a second ear piercing today. And then I cut my hair. I know I'm uglier with it like this, but don't come for my neck, okay? I can't. Actually, I could get I can't uncut it, okay? A Q&A while I do my makeup, kind of like a get ready with me, except I don't just talk about pointless stuff that y'all don't care about. Today, I'm gonna be talking about things that you guys want to know. And I honestly choose the worst times to film because it's like 9. Oh, I thought it was later than that. I'm gonna start my makeup first because if I answer questions first, I'll never stop talking like I'm doing right now. Also, I've been filming for 4:20 minutes. Or 4 minutes 20 seconds, which is 4:20. Also, I lit a candle, and also there's a salt lamp. And also, it's so cute in here. Oh my goodness. That's really annoying me. I wish I had another light over there, but a girl doesn't. So I'm also basically like doing my makeup in the dark, and it's low-key a challenge, right? So, new vid title. Do makeup in the dark blind. Speaking of that, our electricity went out today, and your girl had to pee with the door open because I was not about to pee with pitch darkness. Whoa, I haven't done makeup in a while, so that's crazy. Well, I can't even see anything. Okay, honey butter from Whataburger is an amazing thing, and if you have a Whataburger near you, definitely use honey butter on your next chicken strip order. So today I had the opportunity to buy the Soft Glam palette, but guess who didn't? Me. Guess why? Because I don't need that hoe. Yes, I know what I'm gonna, yes, I definitely am gonna do that. Okay, what was I gonna do? Should I actually do that? I don't know. How would I use distraught in a way that made sense? I'm distraught? I don't even know what that means. That sounds accurate. Probably just a basic little look today. We don't know what we're doing, or I don't know what I'm doing. Ew. Okay, I can't even see the shadows. Problem detected. Okay, I think I know what I'm doing. I don't think it really matters considering this is not a tutorial, but I want to look low-key good. Ew! I said low-key so naturally right then. Also, your makeup always looks better in the dark. So that's kind of what I'm going for, because I don't think I'm going to be good at makeup at this point in time at the moment, so. So if anyone says I talk too much in this video, I feel like a lot of people come to my channel expecting me to be quiet and like just do makeup like honeys, sweeties. I'm not good enough at makeup to not talk. So here's my strategy. I talk a lot to distract from the fact that I'm not the most amazing person at makeup. I mean, I'm not bad at makeup, but nothing about me really stands out. So I don't know why people expect me to not talk. It's like, what else do you want me to do? Like just sit here and do this the whole time? Also, there's a booger in my nose. Oh no, there's not. This is my piercing. I was about to say, I see embarrassing. But if y'all really want me to stop talking because I'm just that annoying, I can just do this the whole time if you guys want. Not you guys, because I know my besties are here to support. That's blended. Maybe I should always do my makeup in the dark. See look how different that looks. Woo. That actually looks better, I think, than this. But I like the feeling of this. This makes me feel a lot safer about filming. I'm so scared to film now because I'm just gonna get yelled at every single time. Do you have any internet friends or best friends? Amazing question. Also, sorry that I'm not like putting names like people usually do. I don't really know how to do that. Actually, that's such a lie. I'm gonna do that and not be lazy. Oh, I just got a threat. I got a threat. Serena just threatened me and told me if I don't answer her question that she's gonna beat my butt. I have a friend, her name's Maddie. Actually, my best friend, not just my friend, she's my best friend. To have like this thing called Makeup with Maddie. That was so ugly. I think it's actually gonna be 3 years. It's gonna be 3 years this June, which is crazy. So I've been her bestie for 3 years. I wish I could get rid of her, but at this point, I'm kind of stuck. We've met up 3 times. Yes, and I'm gonna go to California in June and see her again. Is that your phone buzzing, Kara?
Yeah, sorry, I have too many friends.
Really just had to flex. Before you do my eyeliner, I'm gonna answer some more questions because I literally have answered 2. Do you like Emma Chamberlain? Yes, I love her. Marco asked, why are you like this? Why are you so cute? Why are you such a babe? Why are you Alden? Can someone please come get their man? Like, someone said natural or beat face? I think I look better with the natural face. Not like natural, I mean like makeup natural, like, oh wait. Beat face because a girl is ugly. Best foundation for your skin type? Probably the NARS Sheer Glow. I know it's super expensive and stupid, but probably that. Or how long till your bomb merch is gonna come. I really don't buy all of it. You're the best. Thank you. And girl, I don't know. I haven't even designed it yet. I need to ask people because I'm stupid and can't do it myself. I can't do anything myself. Anyways, when did you get your nose pierced? Why and did it hurt? Spill the tea, sis. Okay, sis. I got my nose pierced almost 2 weeks ago. It'll be 2 weeks ago on Tuesday. It's Friday right now. I got it because I've been wanting one ever since I was like 5 and it didn't hurt. My second ear piercing hurt a lot more than my nose piercing. I didn't even feel the nose piercing. Why'd you cut your hair? It looks cute. I cut it every single time it gets long because when I get long, or what? When it gets super long, I feel like I lose myself. I don't know, I don't like it. It makes me a little uncomfy, even though it's still cute. What color do you think best describes your soul? Orange. Don't know why, I just love orange and it's my favorite color. So where do you prefer to shop for makeup, Sephora or Ulta? I usually shop at Sephora more. I'm not really sure why because Ulta, I feel like all around is better. It has more brands, I feel like, and there's drugstore and they have a better reward system. But for some reason my dumb little butt loves to shop at Sephora and spend so much money there when they're really necessarily not as good as Ulta if you really think about it. Favorite Spanish song? Despacito. That's such a good song. I love being the queen of doing amazing eyeliner. It's such a burden to bear. I know you guys wouldn't understand, but you should be grateful that you don't because it's so difficult being so amazing at eyeliner. I'm like holding my breath, literally. Girlie's a little dumb. Oh, my eyes hurt. Oh my god, I complain so much. I mean, it's dark, so you can't really tell how bad it is, but it's fine with me. Why y'all always mad? Cause I'm feeling myself. I love being a chiropractor. Break next, I'm the chiropractor. Hi. She's going off. This looks better in the dark. The sister looks better when you can't really see her. What's one thing that people don't know about you? Great question, sister. I don't know if a lot of people know this, but I'm super afraid of stickers. Stickers gross me out, and fun fact, I had to almost put like a sticker like on this paper the other day and I almost cried in class and I had to ask my friend to do it for me. Yeah, that's a little fun fact. Maddie, yeah, I'm talking about you. I already know people have come and threatened me with stickers and been like, I'm gonna come at you with them. Ha, it's so funny. It's really not funny, and if you try to do that, you're gonna be gone from my circle and life because it's not a joke, and I know it sounds like one right now, but I really hate them and I will come for your neck if you really try to come for mine and give me stickers. What is buzzing? Also, these have blue eyeliner on them. Ah! Rip James, I could put it on my eyelid. Ew, those look so bad on me, but you know what? A girl paid for them, so I'm gonna use them. Do people in school say that's the girl from YouTube? Screenshotted. And, I guess. Actually, yeah. Yeah, they do sometimes. Super amazing. If YouTube doesn't work out for you the way you wanted, what do you plan on doing when you're... Hold on. I don't really know what to expect, so I don't really have a plan. I don't have a plan for anything. Got a missing. Got a missing. Got a missing.
Mom said to be quiet.
I'm not even talking right now. I moved my camera because I put primer on off camera and I moved the camera, and I'm talking quieter because my mom low-key just yelled at me. So I don't think I can use this foundation because I think it's pretty light on me, but it's dark, so we don't care. Kara, 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 Kara. See, now it's hot in here. Pasty queen. Someone asked me if I was a social person or not, and I would say a fat no on that one. How long have you and Marcus been dating? Since August. Don't really want to count the months, but I'm pretty sure it's 7. Name a body part you wouldn't mind losing. I wouldn't mind losing my ribs because those hoes stick out and they're super uneven because of my back. What was your nose piercing experience like? It was really good. I didn't even realize that she had put the needle in. Like, it was really good. The place was really good. There's a place called Pincushion in Frisco. If you want to get your nose pierced, you should get it there. It's not too expensive and the atmosphere is really nice. One of your bad habits, biting my nails. Can I take you on a date to see Brockhampton? Yes, you can. I want to go see them so bad. I haven't been to any of their shows, but I really want to go to the next one because that would be amazing. Do you like short or long hair better? I think it depends. I feel like I looked better with long hair. That was so scary. My camera is dying. Okay. I almost set my eyebrows with bronzer because after I put on concealer, I set it with like a translucent powder and I almost set it with bronzer and that would have been so embarrassing. I ended up just finishing my makeup because my camera was dying and I wanted to film the outro looking decent. But let me know if you guys like the other lighting more or something like this. I could obviously adjust this and probably add like a clamp light. I have a clamp light. I could have added one over there. I love being intelligent. I think this is pretty tight, but I'll have to obviously fix some stuff. Let me know if you want more types of videos like this or if this sucked. Actually, if it sucked, please don't tell me. Positive queens only in this household. See you besties later.